Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete a Wizz account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your Wizz app on your mobile phone. Upon doing that, you will find this kind of interface basically. So here you will be at where you can have your friends and requests chats over here. You can go ahead, tap on this icon and browse through the profiles. Other than that, if you simply would like to remove or delete your account, you can tap on this profile icon in the bottom right. Right over here you can see we will find our profile including all of these settings. For it, all you have to do is tap on the settings icon on top right. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on this delete account option given in the bottom section. Now you have to choose a reason for you to why you're quitting. If you have something else on mind, tap on something else, write down the message, or you can tap on this delete my account option. And now go ahead, tap on this yes option on top. And you can choose to stay in the game if you would like, otherwise you can tap on this cancel. Now that's how you will be able to delete your account on Wizz. You can choose to quit again with the two options given in the bottom. And that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.